Look, making a YouTube video takes just about 2 minutes. If you dedicate 15 to 20 minutes to creating a short video, you can easily make 8 to 10 videos daily. But I suggest uploading only 4 to 5 videos per day and then saving the rest. Why? Because life gets busy. Whether it's attending a friend's birthday, spending time with family, dealing with farm work, or unexpected health issues. By saving 3 to 5 videos daily, you'll have a backup for those hectic days, ensuring consistency in uploads. Trust me, this small habit will keep your channel alive even on your busiest days. Now let's get into the process. To find videos for your channel, download the kaise app. Open the app, play some videos, and find ones you like. Check if the creator's ID has similar content by exploring their profile. Save the IDs of channels with videos that match your niche using Notepad. This strategy ensures your channel attracts the right target audience, leading to more views and engagement. After identifying the videos, copy their kawaii ID, search it in the kaise app, and download the videos. However, downloading directly often leaves a watermark. To avoid this, copy the video link, search for a Google Video Downloader, and paste the link. Skip any ads and you'll have an HD quality, watermark-free video ready for use. Next comes editing. Use the VN app or any editing tool of your choice. Import your video, adjust the speed, zoom in slightly, and trim unnecessary parts. Enhance the visuals by tweaking the filters. Adjust the pen filter, shadow, saturation, and vibrance. Reduce the volume, and if needed, add a voiceover. Record your voice in sync with the video, ensuring a professional touch. Finally, export the edited video, and it's ready for upload. When uploading, choose a catchy title and use hashtags like #short and #trending to boost visibility. Add a thumbnail and set the audience preference to not for kids. Publish the video and let it do its magic. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. Upload 4 to 5 videos daily, and within 10 days, you'll start seeing results. Stay patient, consistent, and persistent. Success is just around the corner.